Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of Rain's Leaf, also known as Song Yumian, chapter 19. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Song Yumian. Right now, she was calling Changle. Said to Changle that you are also very nice. Changle, right now, she really remembers what happened before. Time to leave. Have you packed everything? Don't be too nervous. Take care of yourself after you go to abroad. Eat on time and sleep on time. Changle, I want her to remember the trivial things. She can eat and sleep on time so she can be healthy. But right now, Song Yumian, right now, she was laughing hard. Well, Changle, she suddenly looked surprised. Song Yuman, she was really happy. Said to her, but I remember them all. So you don't need to worry. Well, looking at it, seems that everything is fine with Song Yumian right now. Good luck. See you in the summer. Changle said to her. Changle, did you really look sad? Song Yumian, she will go to abroad. But right now, she will be left in China. Now Changle, she turned off the phone after speaking to Song Yumian. Well, looking at her, she looks really sad. Probably, the two of them are not really seeing each other for a long time. See you in the summer. Right now, Song Yuman sent her a message. Well, it was really sad for her. Right now, Song Yuman, she was on the airport. She took a photo and sent it to Changle. She was still holding unicorn stuffed toys Changle gave her. She will go abroad and bring the stuff. There was no Changxi who came to arrange things for me from time to time, and there was Song Yumian asked me to guess, figure out girls' thoughts. Well, this time, Changle is only the one left in China. Her friends, and they're all gone. Daily life is nothing more than classroom, dormitories, canteens, 3 o'clock, and one lane. Huge campus suddenly seems much darker in my eyes. Well, right now, I really feel sad. He was alone there. No Changxi and no Song Yumian. She was busy. But one day, Shaole, there's a senior looking for you at the door. Senior sister? Right now, Changle, she looks really surprised. Who is the one who's looking for her? Well, it turns out there's a girl waiting for her. Hello, I am Chang Yu, sophomore and the captain of the women's football team in our college. Well, what is the reason why suddenly the captain of the football team looking for Changle right now? Sports festival is coming soon. We are still recruiting for our team. Are you interested? Turns out she want to be recruited. You know me, Changle said to the captain. Last semester during the sports meeting, in the grade relay I saw you run very fast. I also got ranking in the long jump. Well, it seems that you really investigated about Changle's performance. See, you have a good explosive power, quick reactions, and good endurance. Can you be the goalkeeper of our team? Right now, she feels sorry. She don't want to play football. Changle is captain. She is really persuasive. I can teach you. Do me a favor. You really want to participate. Some senior students their last year and will have no chance of future. Well, she's being persuasive. Captain. Right now, she really want to please Changle. Looking at her, she was really pushy. She still wants to recruit Changle. Changle, right now, she really agreed with this. Well, it turns out she really got recruited. Right now, looking at Changle, she was wearing a football clothes. Still agreed to her. Changle, looking at her, she looks really serious. Participating in the practice game. I really hope that I can leave them with the beautiful memories of the last sports festival. Right now, Changle is doing better. She looks really good. Well, finally, right now, our team are winning. Changle, she looks really drained off. Well, looking at her, she looks really tired. Also, lifeless. Well, she was funny. Changle, you have really grown up. Sister has never seen you working so hard. Saw you stand up again and again. Sister's really touched. Changxi, right now, is teasing Changle. But she knows Changle right now. It was almost done. Said, don't let you watch the live broadcast. Well, Changle, don't want to see them performance right now. But look at this. Song Yuman and Changxi has been together. Changle, the game was exciting. Right now, yes, Changxi said to her. Looking at these girls, they really look happy. The performance of Changle is really good to them. Aha, what's wrong? Changle said to them. We never seen a goalkeeper so busy on a football match. Right now, Changle, she wanted to raise up herself to Song Yuman and Changxi. That was not what I meant. Your defenders are like wooden stakes. The penalty area is unguarded. Well, now, you get this by Song Yuman. Under such circumstances, you save 14 times. Without you, your college would have defeated from 19-0. Well, she got praised by Song Yuman. The captain is calling Changle. Let's go watch the other teams with the team. Ah, here it comes. Changle, she need to go now. Conversation between the two of them getting interrupted. And I'll go watch the game first. Sister, Song Yuman. Goodbye. Changle, she really got busy. Well, it's really understandable. Right now, looking at her captain, she looks really energetic. Especially right now. Changle, she can even say a word for her. She's only looking at them. Well, captain said, did you see it? My girlfriend is scored. Ah. Right now, Changle, to her surprise, the captain is really lively. Turns out, her girlfriend is the one who's playing right now. She is you? Changle, she seems to be surprised and wants to ask her. Girlfriend? Looking at her, she looks really surprised. Also, right now, the captain said yes. It's what you told me. The captain said to her. What's wrong with that? Changle, right now, well, it's not new to her. But did she really didn't expect the captain as her girlfriend? Right now, captain said to her, don't you have a GF? Well, now, her questions return back to her. And looking at Changle, it is obvious. Right now, she don't have. Well, she looks really calm. Right now, I was really thinking, what about her? Song Yuman. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!